Hi everyone, it's Alexandra at Jupiter Returns, and I was walking along the beach this afternoon, very lucky to be able to do so, and I'm very aware that so many people can't do that at this time and may not be able to do that for some time to come. And I felt very drawn to this stone here, and I thought that I would just conduct a really fast ceremony that you can join in with me with this stone here at the beach. I'm just going to pan up so that you can see the beautiful open landscape that I'm so grateful to be able to enjoy and share with you. So as we're coming up to the new moon in the morning, I thought we could use this stone collectively right now to just, I hope you can hear me, I've found as sheltered a spot as I can. I thought what we could do at this time really is to focus from the heart. This stone is kind of heart-shaped. Everything at this time that we would like to release, everything that we want to let go of, cut ties with at this time. We're approaching the first new moon of the brand new astrological year, the new moon in Aries, and it's a moon that's conjunct Chiron, so lots of healing type of themes. So I thought what we could do is join together in these last moments of the moon moving through Pisces, the ocean-Neptune connection here. This stone, this black stone, has been warmed in the heat of that Aries sun, where the moon is making her way as I speak. So let's project into this stone now, just connect with this stone and offer up to this stone anything that you want to release now. I'm going to zoom in just to help that. You might notice there's this little hole with like this tiny little beautiful white shell just kind of in amongst the structure of the stone, and that seemed really symbolic to me and really beautiful. So pour into this stone everything that you'd like to release at this new moon. Connect with the energy of this stone, this receptive black stone. Allow everything that you'd like to release to move from your heart space into this absorbent heart space, and pause the video if you need to, come back to it if you like. But what I'm going to do, I'll try and do it as gracefully as I possibly can, but it's quite hard out here. But I'm going to attempt to then take this stone, walk over to the shore and just throw it into the sea for us, and with it everything that we would like to release at this time. It seems like the perfect space to do that, with this being the last moments of the moon's passage through Pisces. So just take a moment to join with me now. Put into this stone whatever you would like to release, and I'm just going to pick the stone up now and take her over to the shoreline. I hope this is going to work and be of use for someone out there. If it doesn't really matter, does it? But I think it's a nice thing to do, so I'm doing it. So here we are now, with the waves, the Neptune waves coming in to meet us. So now is the time, and feel completely at liberty to love as much as you want if this is a pathetically rubbish throw. It doesn't matter, because actually the tide's on her way in, so you'll definitely collect this up and take it back out on the tide if I don't manage to throw it very far. So here we go, guys. Give everything over to this stone that you want to release at this time, and on the count of 3 I'm going to throw it into the Neptunian ocean to be washed away. We will be allowed to start a brand new, fresh, new moon cycle in this brand new, fresh year. 3, 2, 1. There she goes. That's carrying away everything we no longer want, with love. Thanks to everyone.